To my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is a Holy Forex trading system. My name is Odigwe Vincent, and today I want to show you the component of that trading system and how the system works. Now we are going to look at some of the components, starting from this blue line, and this is 200 moving average. And when price or candlestick is above the 200 moving average, the market is considered to be what? Bullish, or that is an uptrend. And now after that, we have this dotted line. This is called the Downturn Channels. The Downturn Channel provide both support and resistance. This is the support line. This is the resistance line. And now we have this red line, central line. We call this one the central TMA, that is Tomen moving average. The Tomen moving average provides us with the opportunity to buy and sell. It divides the platform, trading platform, into the buy zone and the sell zone. Below the central line, downward, is the buy zone, whereas above the central line, upward, it is the sell zone. And because in Forex we buy low and sell high. Now after that, we have a smaller dotted line. This is a 12 moving average, which acts as a pivot point for our entry, and we use it to enter the market, either to buy or sell. Coming down here, we have the ATR indicator, average true range, measure the average number of pips made by each of the candlesticks for a period of 14 days, and is useful for setting up our stop loss. Here we have the stochastic oscillator. There are two buy conditions. We have the oversold condition, overbought condition. When the stochastic oscillator is below 20, it then means that the market is oversold and ready to be bought. And when it's above 80 to 100, it means that the market is overbought, is ready to be sold. That is how it works. Then, how do we enter the market? That is to buy or sell. Now, buying or selling, we employ two time frames, namely the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. That's what we do. But first of all, let's look at the setup in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, just like the daily time frame, we have the TMA indicator. This is the central TMA. This is the upper band. This is the lower band, the central TMA line. This is the Ichimoku club. This is MA channel. That namely 70 moving average MA channel. Then how then do we execute our buy or sell? Well, first of all, make sure that the stochastic oscillator is below the 20. And when that happens, we wait for the first candlestick to close above the 12 EMA. That is this dotted line here, and that is this candle. And so let's mark this with a horizontal line. Since this is a past trade, it's not a real-time frame, a real-time trade. And so when that happens, we switch to 4-hour time frame and see what happened in 4 hours time frame. Look at it here. Look at the candlestick. But it closed above this channel, but has not closed above the Ichimoku cloud. And so this is the first candle that closed above Ichimoku cloud, this particular candle. If you count 26 candles from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. You see that this level, we see that the Ichimoku cloud has changed from white to a brownish color, indicating that this market is a bluish market. We place our buy market, and we now go and set our stop loss in daily time frame. How do we set our stop loss? We put a horizontal line at the support level here, and we note the value, the price at that level, which is about 148.97. The next thing we do, we take our hair, hover it on the first candlestick that hit that level, which is this one, to touch the ATR. The value of the candlestick is 0.847. Then subtract it from this level. That one will give you the stop loss. So that is a market in a buy mode. We are now looking at a market that is in a sell condition. And so let's look at the market in a sell condition, still using this particular currency pair, which is JPP JPY. As I've told you that this is not a real time frame, it's a past rate. But as I've told, I have backtested this rate, and the system have been working since 2009, which means it will continue to work till Jesus Christ come. And so let's look at sell trade. This is the central TMA line. As I told you, divide the platform into buy and sell zone. In Forex, we buy low, we sell high. Coming to this place, we see that the MA channel has crossed above the central TMA line. Look at it here. And so, and we still look at the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator is in overbought region, which means this market is ready to be bought. Then we wait for the first candlestick that will close above this dotted line, and that is this candlestick. We'll place a horizontal line there. As I told you, it's not a real time frame. We want to look at what happened then in 4-hour time frame for us to execute our entry. In 4-hour time frame, look at it. So look at it. In 4-hour time frame, this is the particular candlestick that closed here, and we can't 26 candlestick and see what happened. We see that at this point that this has changed color. The Ichimoku cloud, future cloud, has changed color, and so because I changed color, we now take this trade as a sell trade. Just the same way we put our stop loss in case of a buy condition, we do same to the sell condition. In a nutshell, that's how the system works. It's a very robust system. In fact, if you like this video, I'd like us to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime we upload video again, you will be notified. Thank you.